Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by going into Devices Settings and then scrolling down to access Emergency SOS. When you're ready, scroll all the way down and click on Set up Emergency Contacts in Health. Finally, click on Edit button at the top right corner. Scroll down just a bit and click on Add Emergency Contact. Finally, just tap on the one that you wish to set up and select one of those options from the list, like for example, Friend. Now, to add another one, click on Add Emergency Contacts again and do exactly the same. If you wish to delete one of your contacts, select this red dot on the left and tap on Delete on the right. Lastly, to add your contact and save it, select Done at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!